Here we're going to try to find out the graph of the derivative of sine of x. So we're told to make a table of estimated slope values of the function incrementing by 0.5 from 0 to 6.5. So let's start at 0. At the point 0, if you draw this tangent line, that really does look like a slope 1 line. So we're marking down 1. Now I've sort of cheated here a little bit. I've graphed in y1, I've graphed the difference quotient using an h of 0.001 and developed my table from that, and I've generated the values already. But anyway, doing it by sight, that would be a slope 1, so that verifies out. Then at 0.5, which is right here, slopes are just a little bit more shallow. So I'm going to call that 0.9, because it's actually 0.877 approximately. So I have about a 0.9. I'm going to graph them over here. For 0, it was 1. For 0.5, it was about 0.9. There. For 1, which is right here, I'm looking at this tangent line. That really looks like about over 2 up 1. That's about a slope 1/2 line. So I'll call that about 0.5. Mark that off right there. In reality, it was 0.53998. Pretty close to a half. At 1.5, which is right here, it looks pretty level. Slope 0 there. Slope 0. So I'm going to call that 0 at 1.5, which is right here, right around 0. In actuality, at 1.5, it's 0.07024 approximately, but pretty much 0. And then we keep on going in that fashion. Let's do some of the more highlights here. At 3, you see that you have a tangent line. It really is slope -1 at 3. And indeed, it's -0.9901 approximately. So at 3, we're going to graph down here to 3. And so forth. You keep on going. You plot these points. And you get the rest of the points on this curve. You go up like this, come down like this, and you get a curve that looks exactly like cosine x. In fact, if you take this same TI and you put y in y2, you put cosine x, and graph both of them, they'll lie pretty much on top. The only reason why there'd be a little bit of variation is that the h we're using in the approximation is 0.001 and not more accurate. The more accurate you go, the more it's going to lie right on top of the cosine.